Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is supposed to be Vlogmas Day 5, but I really am not going anywhere. If I did vlog, it'd be super boring. So I thought I'd share what I'm eating today. I have here 2 bagels with cream cheese, and these are just plain bagels. And I'm gonna show you guys my favorite way to eat bagels. I like plain bagels, and my favorite are the everything bagels. Those are so yummy. So, we've all seen these chips. These are the regular hot Cheetos. And sometimes I will eat them on the side, but my favorite way to eat them is on top together. This is what we're gonna do. Now you could blend these up into a powder and then sprinkle them on top, but I didn't feel like doing that. I don't want to wash my blender. Honestly, that's the reason why. So then on the side I have some leftover pineapple rings. I'll probably just have 2. Move these over. And then to drink, I know, a Coke. Alright, let me have one of these pineapples. Those are cold. So this is one of my like weird food combinations. But it is so good. Alright. Yummy. Alright. You guys, bagels and cream cheese is one of my favorite breakfasts, and a glass of orange juice. Oh. I was thinking about doing the hot Cheeto challenge, but I feel like that's been done like so many times here on YouTube that it's kind of like out of style. Does that make sense? That it's like overdone. But if you guys would like to see me do that, I'm up for it. If you guys can hear like the air in the background, my heater is on. It is freezing. Last I checked, it was 36 degrees outside. It was cold. What kind of hot Cheetos do you guys like? The original Flamin' Hot are my favorite. I don't like the lime ones or the extra hot ones. I don't like those ones. I caught it. This is so bad, but I remember in high school for lunch, one bag of hot Cheetos, like not the small little like snack size bags, one bag of the, you know, this size, one of this size bags was my lunch in high school. That's it, I kid you not. I would just sit and eat the whole freaking bag of hot Cheetos. Well, I'd eat it throughout the day, but the majority of the bag I would eat for lunch. Pineapple. I just had that song come up in my head. PPAP song. Pin pineapple, apple pin. Oh Lord. Now I'm gonna have that song stuck in my head until I listen to it. Do you guys have that happen to you? So like, I'll have a song that's stuck in my head and I cannot get it out of my head until I listen to the song at least once. Do you guys have that happen to you? Excuse me. Should I see how this tastes together? Let's see. It was alright. I would have rather eaten the pineapple plain by itself though. Oh yeah, I have an ASMR. I have an ASMR that will be coming out tomorrow. Because, I mean, I don't have anything planned for tomorrow either. So, today, Vlogmas Day 5 will be a mukbang. And then Vlogmas Day 6 is going to be an ASMR. Plus, I know in one of my videos I said I was going to be uploading an ASMR one video per week. I didn't do that last week, so I need to get one up this week for you guys. So yeah, I say so yeah a lot. I hate it. I say it because it's like the end of a excuse me. It's like the end of a sentence for me. So yeah, and then next subject. I'm getting full. Actually, to be honest, I was full before I even started eating this last one. It's just so good, I can't let it go to waste. Think I can eat this last bite? Well, I know I can eat it, but I'm gonna shove it in. That bite was dry. Excuse me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video.